Welcome to a world of 3D printing without plastic. CocoPress is set to revolutionize the 3D printing world with its latest invention, a printer that uses chocolate to create models you can eat. CocoPress's creator and BattleBot's competitor Ellie Weinstein has been working on iterations of the printer since 2014, and CocoPress will be available for pre-order on April 17th. CocoPress DIY kits start at a relatively affordable $1,499, while professional packages come fully built at $3,995. If you're looking to do your own assembly project at home, the company claims that it should take 10 hours to put together the DIY kit. The printer has a build volume of 140 by 150 by 150 mm, and uses special chocolate cartridges that solidify at up to 26.67 degrees Celsius, 80 degrees Fahrenheit. It's easy to use too. You can use standard 3D models that you create or download from sites like Printables or Thingiverse and then slice them in Prusa Slicer. The printer is also safe and sanitary, as the chocolate only touches 4 parts, all of which are easy to remove, clean, and reassemble. To see for yourself just how awesome the CocoPress is, watch the recent video with YouTuber Mandic Really. In the video, you can see the CocoPress output a couple of designs, including a chocolate fish with moving parts and a chocolate barrel, and there's even a video of the printer outputting a vase on TikTok. If you want to learn more about CocoPress, tune into the Tom's Hardware Pie-cast on March 14, 2023, as Ellie Weinstein joins us to take your questions live. Keep an eye open for CocoPress and stay up to date on all the latest 3D printing news. Eat up!